Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything we don't concern gist. Now we they land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I will leave and make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave and make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Koyo. Wa bebe nege kai. Edo we uga iti egbo edo lewone. Su aga nyibe no gokpa. Edo na betawe. Oma mana si ewo ma bagbona. Oma sopo no maga we. Oni viedu. Eriedo ya gutai. Owo mama na huoma. Oma sopo no maga we. Esepo mani na howe. O na be mo daka. No ave ya wo uka zin gbe ne kere overi time yo. Ukebe do ansa o mani. O mama na ka howe. Ma sopo ni mani viedo. Ni respect yuge. Ni maga huo mani. Onti o mani ka howe ne. O karia bewene weke aria bo mani. O mama be suppose no ma yo wo mama. Ja bo hin. Emi okpa ni mi ahin mi mani viedo ni respect yuge. Mamo bo we mi igbe. O mama na kporu no si ugbe ma. Ma ya kporu no si ugbo mani. O ma ga we mi emi no oge negbe kian. O ma Georgias, o ma joge ya do a disturb ma ogi mani totally ma. O ma suppose ni ma ya popo mani be kenoje. Ni ma ya fiu ya ba be kenoje. O ene na ya me wa mo bo wa taku gba kerewe. Igbovo ama soma no gberovo eni ya mo bokin. Eni ya mo bokin. You can see that lady. Eka ma. Have you no by flashy get video of so? She always happy. Eka ma. Every second no maje. Iwine gbo wa mu. You know ya we mi o ge o we bani. Eka anybody. I me mi o do we yan wo mana isaga egbe. O yan wo mana ki gbina. Yan wo mana ki do ara pa be ke no to tayi no. I ma mi o abi the video ro bi e do ne wa gere ni me ma dege because ko gba kege me wa mo bo zegi yin be wani wala owo a presenter ni bu no rako kako o mama na we man ni ma like ni ma try ni ma let go ni ma focus ye mi no wa be ori ma ni ya to bi ya be focus ni ya mi no be ori ya be remember wa go no go ki akuni na be dere eri ya wa be mo go ni go oni kebe do afilu pe Oma ga we mi wasi no we mi no we mi aji gbovo ya we mi ajo wo mama ya we mi aje mebebe no ya nyi be petuge na be do ya jere do rudoni abe do leva la egbe awase aje no je no we mi kian. She's good at what she's doing. I mean e ma be like e mi no kin wallaho imege be him ya na ogezo wala wo temeni pe temeni ko va kokako wallaho let us always gawe otimana kin o pa maya kin or whatever ni maya igaja konri egbima ni mala wo because mama na we me se kenoye e kan me kan wa be mi ki akuni no ma be kan one day beni ya be logo ni se o ma be kan one day because ige egwe mi ogo wukia emi o no na be nya yatai ogijo Mrs. Jobo sana emi o make up ogo emi modelo emi no ya live life ogo emi no uno I like her way That's why she's not coming our own side of life. And with different lifestyle. So why can't us leave her alone and concentrate on what we are still doing on our own side? Hell, she's not a saga type. Why are you like a saga? Oh, no, what or not for God's sake. In about the phone by with the live video. Wala ho. He made doing she's only happy with her husband. In about that phone, in go kugbe wala go. Why give do si aga no ne can have do for to. Ave do aga bibie ron kaso wa ke no nyagbo. Ni mahiala go. He made doing on her behalf. Wala ho wa free wa give we no more oje magbon. I go to kwalo vek peti u go ke. Ge ma ojo. Asas, she's not throwing mats. At this side of why can't us leave her alone and let her concentrate on what she is doing? A fancy love a man love even no jani. Or live a fake life or live a fake life. It's not anybody's business. A business or moropa. A life no even no me happiness or they live in it. Oh, a fake life, is none of anybody's business. Wallaho. Even no, ya live a life for her. She's happy with her husband, or that for love her, even okay. Wallaho, and what concentrate. He made lema do him in my yanike, no give a rako kako, nor work bet yugi, ni malaho. Ni just not just I low. E mo anve ye be rebani no work bet yugi, ne kind man. Oh, I say, thanks for sending me star. I don't even see it. Why, say? You understand? So, ma. Truth to God. Ma. Iya business. They are only doing their things. Ma mosto ja fiuk be yevani. And which is very bad of us. They are only doing their things. Ekbeti ugena. No gwe gajono. It does not meant for one person. It meant for everyone. The road is open. The road is clear for each and everyone to do whatever pleases them there on social network. Deni waki no agwaya ti we mi wugani eti u ni mahia lao. Adoge na we na tie result o ma rovima o ma crime o ma poru no si ugbema o ma eka do fiu pe ye mi ni matabedian ni malaho. Ye wa ma oje mi no wa ge ma oje ma gbonre ima mam e ki ameme no bugbe ni ataye won ido yimia wala ho wa ge ma oje ma gbonre wala ho e ma be no we de no we wa be ma de business yan ne be seke ni maji o kono wa improve o me 30,000 k view watching o e gi we ga be se we have me no so ge. It is not anybody business. Me malaki gbovo e me de me watamo ho. I don't like it. Well, no salobo improve, we stay away from people's issue. Well, no salobo promote you to the next level. Egi win bom ave wa moma magbe bi ati me malaki gbovo. Eke me na do amowo ma wa we. That is me. Me anything gbovo no. It's not my calling. Wala ho. Ime imi wa. Wasi Mrs. Jobo Sahai. No woge. We no wa woge kian ni wage wa lele o doge kian. Ni mani kevi a lele o dogi ma kian. Emi ya me na kwesi mesi ni maria. Matata. Put in your best. No weve etivi a me fancy. Bene ni kevi me. Erioje. A fancy night does not come one day. It build gradually. Kere ya build. Warebe dokpa we when you work expect you gonna wa 3,000 wason. It's not possible na. You be wish. No na. It's not possible. Now gradually. Now you get your viewers, get followers, get fans out there. Gradually. And it's what that came out of your mouth. The way you address, the way you talk. When people like you, they start following you. That is the real fact. Wala ho. Mo e wa do imi anji. E gele wo mame. E kan won ropa. Wala ho. Wagima wasi aji noji. No mwa oje magbon. Emi ni ewa uni owaje mene kuni. The way she laughed, the way she dressed, the way she talked, the way she make up, owaje meno sa women gazo wegi. Okon any comment. But so ya was ke noje. Meni ya woda fon yawu owaje me. E mata wata. Ogele jeme. Okon meni mu ya value will be. Imagine meta. But he comment. But he was like him, you know. I know the comments. But he like him, you know. Yeah, what is the gay? Yeah, come with him. Your money, whatever shall be well with you. But he was cook passe. He comments. But he waged the Mrs. Yobosa. She always mind her business while I get money. I get money. A presenter while he may give him you. He may give him you walaho. Emegbe na yawe me. Emegbe na yawe saga. Egbe na wa yawe mi mode. Egbe na yawe mi prank. Egbe na ya jolly meditation. Eya wonder for me. Egbe na ya po rio gie yo makon. Eya wonder for me. Wala wasi aye no wa get concentrate. Nemi ya me na jolly kwesi mesi kia. No rion eve soto. We ma we mi egbe yen ni egbe na saga. Egbe yen ni ma se egbe na saga. So egbe no make egbe na saga wa we mi upa ya dege. Wala wa give you enjoy mi no enjoy makeup ore. No enjoy mi ni about that fun you kugbe ba. Ni am be spray ho we mi ru it's entertainment to people. E ma be o very ogie ma kon gian eva concentrate. Wala wo my people on social network. My back be ma. Wala wo. Don't even why wala ho. Bring it down a little. Wala ho wo. Ovie wari, ovie woda. Okpa ma yakin, ameke na legbiri. Ese ni demore regbuto wuwe. Uwe dota we yes. Ma he mi rokpa. No. But no ma demore regbuto wa we mi kian o wa ma oye ma gbonge. You have to also free that person. Iriye ma gbonji. Free that person and let her be. No vie do ne wagre. Evi ni oni tamowa. Woge misisi. Iyobo sanike. Ebe inyokpa. Ma be yebe reva ni me sati ugbeso. Oda mene me comment ye video. Iwagi yan da we like peti ugo yan ma ebe pegbe. Yan igabe a grow never ban. Wa be wo de o. Wa seviere ani a grow. I must to grow. Nore social media do gbogiru we imarokpa. Ima must to grow back e be one. Wala ho wagi a grow. Bring in your fellow human. Wa koka ko mi no gba. A condemn me wa koka ko mi no gba. Ati eni no samati mi no gba. Iriyo ma gbo kai wala ho. Emi ni wa redo tamu wa. Ni ki enwa. Aya gbofin. Nene gbegbake. Uga jebe ne gbe yato lo ma yato lo. O wa bolu akekan. Uga jebe ne gbe yato lo ma yato lo. Egbe ni obolu agbe. So wala ho. Iyo salobo ame. Ya himi wa. Wagimaga nyesi. Nimiesi mi na sobo vekuma. Wagima ya nyesi. Ruda wama no fieko. O vekue. No we miesi. Imieso sobo vekue. Wala ho. Wagima nyesi. Agmona. Tebite. Mame ke male nene efe forene. Eja gaga yakin. Ogwa nadobo. Efe nadofe. Jagagan. Yagagan. Ameke na mweri. So ni malaho. It's just a journey. It is not a lifetime journey. So walaho. Baginya ke gbejina pokwe gbejina nyana gbajina. Walaho. Agima let go visu. I love you all so much. Because imini wa boda mina imana tie for ekiyama. Walaho. Let us bring it down a little. Me no buy my aja kondwa. If you do every day. O ma uko ana yo hiano keke ya kon. No ma uko o se andoria busaria benikao. O ma ga uko ana jo hi anoke ke yakun o mani mana uho because wa laki no wa go ale root o ma no ma wo wa megbe wa ya go ale root e hia erera karavo evo no kere erije ka mu do degbe mu erije ka wono na erije ka wono na. It is not called for God's sake. It is not called for. Oniosie ekunigbe negbe ejegbe o sepo hu ni ga ido mu me ona ido too much igbe ana do aye no iki awula lagbo ifo tote so no walaho imalaho. It is not good for us to be bringing our beloved ones down. We know back because we got weather man or man day. Billions of people they know we do weather way. That is the real truth. Uga homani no he be no dazi mana he ni almost to get a sibi later. Ya nene me wa mo boti e hwa. And you say it's okay. Even in my yake getting ne magu. Oh, sayage. So, you know, my people out there. Mona can't join me, because a jollof rice, you know, oh, with a baby and a be or gano. Father, bless and satisfy this food in Jesus' name. Amen. So, Mrs. Yobu Satuga, uga we. Mo wa mode emi kemi nuriri au tuga we mo wa mode oda o aga ugewo o manore Facebook yoga dia sobo eho emi zanoro oga kan ruru anu omioku ezo omioku dobo omioku ria omioku balo omioku emi kemi no magogo sao emi no manore peti uge oga dia sowo emi no manore peti uge uga diari emi kemi nuriri au peti uge o manoro o khianga ogwe igbevi munoro o khianga ruru anu eti onyaga ekinu ye yase ewo balo salobo ebe gi agbonjo we ewu na yari obo kagma mo salobo ebe gi agbonjo we ewu emi no ma o sagajo we ewu ne gi agbo sagajo we ewu na ya mi o hewo bokpe ame o boku o salobo ajo we live video we ewori o ka o amu veni Jesu Christi o wa edagbon we aga rin we no ho ku weka o da fon we ke mono biele o fu egbo saloba no je wo bovo ge no ma e worry. Concentrate, mind your business, never trip to others we wa ko awe mi no wo kian agogo we kian salobo aje wo bo o ga ten we musajo Emmanuel wemewe iyaga gwalowere veni Jesu Christi ise obaga tokbe ise. So man, eat my rice. This my cow leg, eh? Over here, oh. When I come join me, don't pa ma we gboforo. My show na baby, it's too big, Johnny. A baby. Well, I know worry. Everywhere, Marama. I got with me down. I mean, damn, ma. I got review. If you view, ma. Why I got Gualoma, no ma Gualowa. You done well. I mean, no back. Why, ma, ye, ma, bumba. No saloba me na between one mosajo. trouble here and there, me no back. Eh? Oh, my woman, and I woman, he will be. Oh, man, now, women. Why are you looking for the person who does not look for you? It's a sin before God Almighty. Hmm? Oh, right now, the lady in here. Kuni lona esti ugbesha. Okay, lady in here. So now waiting me see for that one be that. Every day is troublemaker here and there, here and there, here and there. Ah, I mean not by now. I where when you imagine now wa we me wa go abie. Or a sackbo. Who ye? Now this was how we got so we give you this. O man no ma we me kporo so gbo ko no gbe 100 years if a live video na come kind one day. Now the truth I just tell you. I come kind one day. Me ma ya we live video na ma yere ba ni me gugu one day. When ma ya we live video. E ma wa ye bu ni me gugu one day. Avye. Yeti wa very bu de ni o beto wa ado asaga e ado awe mi ate no. E ma wa bu ni me robi e biba. Ni me re gugu an. No ma be kan one day. And the ma be no kan yan one day. That is the truth. Yan book baby ba. So the reason in that because emini mauna odo germinate mi no do ami na do ami odo iji ete bi tete goi. And the social media now we yokpa saloba na ga me dan. Here is the way we flash a video, abaku ya nuka we go we yen do afie ya la dianu. No we agmona ubu ino. That is the reason na nagbe negbo ma ye gbe se video. E want ametamok pe atamoko. Ware la video, wa keminuta because uga baku tebite tego ino. Iji nekia forward to tebite segoi. No. Anything no really wire no way really uno. Adegbe do a flash e la dianu. Ado ari medi we babaku ya no ka unu we mai no we tamia mia. Wo wa mi ma ya ni to tagi ya na. Ebi ke mi no really u. Iya wa afia de ehi. Iya wa afia de ehi. Oi wa be sakpo. Adegbe do ado aflige ya la dianu e. In case if you forget, may they remind you where. Any of you don't feel like you where. A dirty no way. Agbene ya yoto no way. Where me so network. A dirty no wa bakuni. Iya do agbene ya yoto. Iya is agbene ya yoto. What obu we uje? Daga no way ya wonemi. We no ni sami amiane. Iya no hoy. Awa, iya de dori madi we gba igbo. Yeah, they don't remember where. Now, so you first see one the other time. Oh, where were ya? Where we give me? Yana, we jam it here. We are yoko. I tell you, Tamiamiane. So that is the reason when an agbene boma yegbi. Emi ya noka we are fuane. Adegbedo atama where you are highly welcome. You are highly welcome. Oh God. I don't know where you are highly welcome. So this act when then I do post and so person did this so thing so time. In case she forgets, let me remind her of what she did or what the offense that she commits. Let me begin to remind her. Where to go where you no here be. I got fling ladia. Egbe wo we no ja o take. Manoma cameo neki ane ade. They will start seeing it. That is why ne donata we ugare ekpetiuge kekpetiuge nuriri aje akemeta. Akemeta. You done well. You done well. When nowhere. What tell me ane. Oh wait be. Oh when nowhere. What tell me ane to wait cool. I say na donata we. Oh kana kuwe nya. Ninya yaro wabi. Why je no man nyageke? That is the reason where Emia Samoto Negala Yotori cook back again. So Adole will ye said the nakbawori. Always minurity au ekpetiuge. Whatever we are reserve. Whatever akon eta. Oh, you don't just see the way you see things. Oh, why you do vandalize. Where to bo we ga ati no we ati ni be video no we o we ye daga no we ya do no na osie wa we mi if no we get prove ye don't even go there. If no we ga o we ma say don't even go there. If no we ga si we gbere ba o ke ti zuze you don't even go there. Osie nata don't even go there. If you do no zomo mani work petiuge. I we ugbeso egbe abale so in ti control emeni atalo. But at least kara pra no agbame kefero ni ki oni aya like one chance. Oni aya like one chance. I one chance ni wala ho. Hey, we I can do ye gbo we one chance okay e wala. Egani ukpodogon mi na biasen yo gwega. Egani okpodogon mi na biasen yo gwega. Wala redo. No gi we presenter wa ka mari bude no wa we mi wa ken me beta. Wa ken meta wa me reserve. Beni meje emi me logogbe o se ni mana understand me. I can forgive you easily, but ikuni yeti irogete bitete. That is me for you. Ewe we me wano. Egbe so me so be ata we mama queen. We wa wetalo no ewe. Another way round. Ejeba. Ejeba. Ya wata logo me ne yewe. Emata no. Ye are forgive we. Emata no. Being friend. Sawe me gazo we give me second chance. Made me watamoko. O se ni menati ame busy egbe. I can me wa patience lelo ma. But a second chance. Imo evo se. Awano tebitete go ino. Awa. And it is second chance. I don't have it. O se ni na ikume iku ogozo. Then mommy love etano de ogozo ajiya. Emata gele no. Ikume ogozo ajiya wano. Oma oviere mata oge water. I wish she do it in a full. If you go gani gata lo gari me. Oviere matoge. Ematano. But when it comes to friendship, I don't have second chance. If forgive, fine. Me second chance for me. I don't know how other people are doing their things. My own things is too hard. It's too hard. I don't have second chance. No, a second chance in it. That is me. On your say, nothing me but I am so peaceful. He go see my kegbe, but where I when Nana way, he don't do one the thing. Maybe Udo women they be one. I don't have second chance. That is the reason. Ya one ya one me. Emi me wa man. Mo iwe se mo bese tolo se mo ri ma se won tagbona. Yet if you me ya we say no sef. But when it comes to ugai